Hello, the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale is on, so get ready with me while I tell you my favorite picks from this sale. Starting off, the first one is the Milk Hydro Grip Skin Tint. It has the perfect amount of coverage and glow for the summers. I haven't put this one down ever since I got it. If you want a more affordable option, then go for this House of Makeup Skin Tint. It performs exactly the same. The next is the Too Faced Concealer. This is my holy grail. I have always recommended this concealer. It's full coverage and gives the most beautiful finish. It's expensive, but I swear one bottle will last you a lifetime. Moving on, the e.l.f. Camo Blush and Bronzer. The bronzer melts into the skin beautifully. I have a lot of blushes in my collection, but I have used a full bottle of this and restocked it. Yes, it's that good. Next are the K-Beauty Loose Powder and Compact. These are the best powders available in the Indian market. These blur out my skin, controls oil, sets my makeup for the entire day. Moving on to the eyes, this Fay Beauty Kajal in the shade brown is so good. It glides so smoothly on the lids and blends like a butter. Perfect for quick smoky eyes. Adding on to that, again a product that I've recommended so many times, the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. It just performs high end. The tip is really flexible, perfect for creating sharp wings. The next one is again one of my all-time favorite products, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I have tried so many mascaras, but this one tops it all. Moving on to the lips, I have two lip liners, one from Fay Beauty and one from Maybelline. These have the perfect cool brown undertone that works with all lipsticks. Next, I have this lip stain from NYX again. It works as a gloss and also leaves a beautiful stain. The stay of the gloss is also really good, and this particular shade, Mocha Me Wet, it is just perfect for all the brown skin girlies. Now for the end step, you have to get the Dalba Serum Spray for the most beautiful glowy base. It just melts all the powders and gives this unreal glass-like glow. Last but not the least, this brush set from PAC. The quality of the bristles is so good and soft. Also, this set has all the essential brushes to do your makeup. That's it for my recommendations. Happy shopping!